Hi everybody, this is Ron.
And I'm Denise.
And together we are DNR Travel. And we want to give you some advice, some tips, some tricks. This is our introduction video.
1002. It's better in the Bahamas.
That's right. This is only our second video, but we do have another video that we just recently posted. We were on the Norwegian Escape right after the windstorm that tipped the boat. So we have another video. We're going to put the link to that video in the description of this one. So make sure you take a look at that one.
All right, yes. And this video, this channel, I should say, is going to be based on travel tips, advice, things like that, excursions, what you do when you go on
anything
a 7-day.
Cruise related.
Right.
We're going to have some information on there about cruise lines, the importance of insurance, passports, just anything that you can think of that's cruise related. We're going to have some videos on there. So, you know, we are travel agents also. So we're going to give you some information on how to get a hold of us.
Right. And actually, we're going to be doing a big move here in 2020. Our plans are to move to Orlando. So in the meantime, you're going to see us talking about day-to-day, you know, cruise tips and things like that. But we're also on the way going to be talking about how close we're getting. It's almost like a countdown to the move to Orlando. And we got a dog for sale here.
No,
if you want Kiki, you can probably hear in the background now.
No, Kiki, we love you.
And so she might be up for sale. Make our move a little easier. We'll get some pictures of the dog. So anybody that's interested, just let us know.
No,
we'll pay for shipping.
Cut.
So what else? What else we're about on this channel?
Well, you know, we're just fun and we just want to help anybody out maybe that's new to cruising. Like I said, we are travel agents, and so I have a lot of knowledge about, you know, different ports, itineraries, just making the booking process easy for you. So we're just going to talk about a lot of different things like that. So we hope that you'll like this video, subscribe to our channel, and put that notification bell on so you'll see when we upload our next video.
Right. And, you know, plus we all also full service travel agency too. We don't just do cruises. We'll do all-inclusive destination trips too. We'll also help with excursions. A lot of times we help with airfare,
honeymoons,
hotels, yeah, honeymoons, any kind of travel that can be done, we can get it done and we can do it. We specialize more in the cruise world though. That's what she seems to feel more comfortable doing, and so we do more of that than anything else. So that's very important. So until the next time,
make cruising your happy place.
see you.
Bye-bye.